Hi everyone. In this lesson we're gonna learn multiplying and dividing fractions. This is the most fun part of math because this is very easy. Let's start from multiplication. We have fraction, doesn't matter regular, irregular, like, unlike. We have fractions, we need to multiply. We multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, and write the answer. Very easy. Multiply 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 7 is 21. That's it. If you have bigger number, you can simplify. It doesn't matter. We talk about that, how to simplify, but this is just the way to know how to multiply fractions. Let's go to next one. 5 over 11 times 7 over 8. We multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, and write the answer. You just need to know multiplication table. 5 times 7 is 35. 11 times 8 is 88. That's it. In this case, we have 3 fractions. It doesn't matter how many fractions you have. The rule is this for this one also same. You multiply all numerators together and you multiply all denominators together and get the answer. Now let's do this. 1 times 4 is 4. Times 1 is 4. For denominator, 3 times 8 is 24 times 2 equals 48. Another case, if you have 3 over 4 times 6, whole number, not a fraction. As I mentioned before, we can make this as a fraction. If it's whole number, you can just divide by 1 and make it as a fraction. 6 over 1 is equal 6. So we do the same rule. 3 times 6 is 18. 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, for division, we again using the multiplication. Only in this case, we turn the second fraction opposite. We call it reciprocal. We keep the first fraction same, 3 over 4. Then instead of dividing, we multiply and we write second fraction turned. Numerator bring down, denominator take to the top. And we call this process, like switching it, we call it reciprocal. In this case, we will have 5 over 2. So what we did, we kept the first fraction same. Instead of dividing, we multiply. We got second fractions reciprocal. We turned it. Now we already know how to multiply. We can multiply. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 2 is 8. Again, the numerator is bigger. This is irregular fraction, but we leave this like this. We're not going to simplify now. We're just talking about how to divide. Let's go to next one. As I said, we keep the first fraction same way, 6 over 7. Instead of division, we do multiplication. And we make second fractions reciprocal. We put 9 on top, 8 on the bottom. It's also, we can call like cross multiplication, but we will do this later in harder math. So now 6 times 9 equals 54. 7 times 8 equals 56. Now we divide it. 6 over 7 divided by 8 over 9 equals 54 over 56. In this case, if we don't have fraction in front, we have whole 11 number divided by fraction. Again, we're gonna make this as fraction. So we will keep the first one same. Instead of dividing, we're gonna do multiplication, and we will turn this second fraction for reciprocal. 6 over 5 equals 11 times 6 is 66 divided by 1 times 5 is 5. See how easy it is. You multiply for multiplication, numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. For division, keep the first one same, turn the second fraction opposite, and multiply again. Now we have fraction divided into whole number. Again, if there is nothing under it, it's gonna be 1. Keep the first fraction same way, multiply, turn this one opposite. 1 goes on top, 2 comes on bottom. We multiply. 3 times 1 is 3. 5 times 2 is 10. So this is all about multiplying and dividing fraction. This is one of my favorite parts in math because it's very, very easy. You just need to learn multiplication table. Thanks for watching. See you next time, guys. Bye.